Hey,
Good evening, sir, madam. I'm Rosita Stringbor. I'm 37 years old. I'm married. I'm I have two kids. I'm the second in the family. I'm the youngest. I'm a high school graduate. I'm a Catholic. I have work experience in Hong Kong. My job is cleaning the house, cooking a simple food, and I'm willing to learn cooking Chinese food. I go to market washing dishes and clothes, mop the floor. I prepare to school uniform for kids and help them in their assignment. My job hobbies are reading, listening the listening to music and cooking. I want to I want to go abroad because I want to have a better future for my family. Sir, madam, if you choose me as one of your maid, I will do all my duties and responsibility. I'm honest, patient, and hardworking. I will treat your family as my own family, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract. I hope to see you soon, sir, madam. Thank you.